Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Panasonic Technics Earbuds. These are EAH-AZ60s, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now there's two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to Bluetooth, or if they're not syncing or pairing with your device, if they keep disconnecting, if you're only getting sound out of one ear, only out of the left ear or the right ear, or if you're having any kind of connectivity or functionality issues like that, they can often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you'll need to set them up again because the pairing history will be wiped off of it. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you want to set these up on a new phone or something like that, and you just want to get a fresh start, like they're just coming out of the box, we can do that quite easily. What we need to do is first we're going to put our earbuds in the case and make sure they're charged fully. And then we're going to do this one at a time. You're going to take the right earbud out of the case, and then you're just going to come in. The light should turn blue on the earbud, and you're going to come in and press and hold the button on the back of the earbud for 7 seconds until the light on the earbud flashes red and blue. Then you're going to let go for a second and then press and hold again for 10 seconds until the light flashes blue really quickly and then turns off. It'll turn that earbud off. Then you're going to go ahead and put your right earbud back in the case, take the left one out, and do the same thing. Hold 7 seconds, get a red-blue flash, let go, touch again, 10 seconds, fast blue flash, it turns off. Put it back in the case, and then you can take them both out and go ahead and set them up as a new set of earbuds.